Okay, so consider the following ideological positions held by the Congress Socialistic Party. Okay, the ideological positions held by the Congress Socialistic Party. So here what we can understand is the opposition to the Government of India Act 1935, the support to the Quit India movement, and advocacy for negotiated transfer of power in 1947. How many of these above statements is correct here when we talk on this? Okay, so here when we talk, okay, so what is this Congress Socialistic Party? So Socialist Party means they were somewhat, okay, extreme in their approach. They were somewhat extreme in their approach. So here when we talk on this Congress Socialist Party, so majority of the Indians, they are going to not accept the Government of India Act 1935. Majority of them had thought that they are going to go against the 1935. Why? Because it was not what we demanded. It was not fulfilling the things that we demanded, and it was also based on the reports of Simon Commission, which we did not accept at that point of time. Okay, so this is one another aspect. So yes, it opposed it. And then Congress Socialistic Party, because it was extreme and majority of the people at that point of time, they had supported this, you know, Quit India movement. Okay, so even that was there. Then advocacy for negotiated transfer of power in 1947. Negotiated transfer and not complete transfer of power. Okay, so that is wrong. By 1947, we wanted complete transfer of power and not negotiated transfer of power. So that is why this statement is wrong. So the answer is going to be B. That means only 2 is going to be the answer. Okay. Now,